I'm gonna make this shirt really fashionable.
What are you doing? What?
Tony got it for me. I love the color. But I'm not too obsessed with like the prairie look. I'm gonna make it feel like a sunny day.
I don't have to party.
My tiny studio. Kind of tiny.
To have fun, you see.
I'm gonna cut this off and make this the top and this like a skirt.
I got different hobbies, and that's all I need.
Ready?
Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream.
Top, top. All right, let's see how this works.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it.
Oh, I'm already loving it.
Yeah.
You need to cut it maybe here so I can do the whole thing, right? Yeah.
Okay. Typically, maybe I will get my little seam over here. Can you make sure you zoom in on this? Or not zoom in, just touch it so everything else is blurred out. Yeah, so just get my little seam ripper here. See? Much better. Oh yeah.
You like so far? I can always do a finished edge or something. It's okay, Sky.
All hard work's gonna be worth it.
What do you think? Well, a little short. I should add a band like this bathing suit. Get it? What do you think?
Everyone who didn't believe it.
Bathing suit cover up?
It's all out worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Trying to do makeup in the truck. Not much to work with here. Palette matches my shorts pretty good actually. Once we get on a smoother road, I'll show you what I did. It's hot. Oh, that's better. Ooh, it's hot. I feel like it's not.
Old shit.
Okay. I know, right? It's fine.
There it is.
So I combine these two blues here.
Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs.
And then I added this deep purple.
Just kidding.
Don't tell me there's a deer and I'm missing it.
There is jumping through the corn, actually. It's pretty
Really?
cool.
No.
Bouncing. Oh. Oh, there's a bear right beside it.
No, there's not.
And a giraffe. Flock of turtles.
Okay.
My eyes kind of droop down, so I try to lift them up. But I don't have a dark color.
Real dark. They're gonna get fun of me. So I'm taking this like
Door code.
darker teal. Look at that rainbow, the rainbow flare.
There's one right there in the sky.
No, there's not.
Gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Black eyeshadow, baby. I need black eyeshadow. Okay, now at the stop sign, I'm going to. I am car sick, man. Woo. Okay, hold on, real fast.
Oh, nobody comes.
I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time.
This is not the best. Black eyeliner. Excuse my nails. I really need a better black eyeliner. Does anyone recommend an awesome black eyeliner? And I'm getting car sick. Ooh. Now mascara, which I really do want one day, babe.
Right down there.
I do one day want
it? Just now past the hotel. Oh, okay, we're coming up here. Wow, I'm scared. It makes such a difference, doesn't it? Look. Doesn't it make such a difference? Is this it, left switch? Yes, I think so. I need to go the wrong way. Does this look familiar to you? Not really. Well, we can get lost in like a tiny town that has one street. To be fair, it has two streets, and this is one of them. Okay, let's see what else. I think it's turn left, I think you have to go a little further down. We should see like the main town.
You liking it? You like it? I like it.
Let's see a little contour. Just a little bit. Right?
I like it. You think you like it, Town? Look.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah?
It's great.
Right. Get excited for the coffee shop.
Alrighty then.
See? Well, besides our awful windows, you can't even see it because of the windows. That's funny. This is the cutest little photo op right here. We're excited about it.
I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree.
I matched the pod. I love matching.
Say that again.
I love matching.
Okay.
Where I go.
Are we recording going in the door too?
Well, just walking in.
Okay.
I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it.
Look at this.
So you have, what's that? Do you happen to have agave or okay.
Nice.
I'm gonna feel looking up 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs.
That was awesome, right, baby? Look at out here too. It's so cute. Everything is so cute. So, explain this. Oh, look at the flag. Explain this, babe.
It's a coffee shop and
The doors.
oh, it's a garage door that has glass instead of metal. Yeah. For air conditioning purposes.
And that's gonna, what we're gonna do.
What we're gonna do.
So cool. Isn't that awesome, babe? Oh, may people come here and shop here and spend their money. You still filming? Can you see me?
Can't ask me questions while I'm filming. I'm supposed to be conversating with you.
Ready? Set. Don't let me look, babe. Just don't let me do it. Look at the masks. How much are they selling for?
See? Simple.
Gonna make masks just because my husband has to work. If he doesn't wear a mask, he doesn't make money to feed me. My babies. Oh, these are cute purses, babe. Look at these purses. If there was a peacock one, oh my goodness. Cute shoes. Yep. I like that. Baby look.